Shalom, brothers and sisters. Yeah, hallelujah. Check it out. Revelation. Revelation 2. All right. 8. The second assembly, second day of Sukkoth. Praise Yah. And to the messenger of the assembly in Smyrna, write this, says the first and the last, who became dead and came to Chai. Can you believe that? Love it. I know your works and pressure and poverty, yet you are rich. And the blasphemy of those who say they are Yehudi, Jews, right? Yehudi, and are not, but are a congregation of Satan. Do not be afraid of what you are about to suffer. See, the devil is about to throw some of you into prison in order to try you. And you shall have pressure 10 days. Be trustworthy until death, and I shall give you the crown of high spiritual life, the crown of life. He who has an ear, let him hear what the Ruach says to the assemblies. He who overcomes shall by no means be harmed. By no means be harmed. He who overcomes by no means be harmed by the second death. Oh, hallelujah. So this is amazing right here. You know, to be a real Yehudi, you gotta go through Yahushua. That's the only way to praise Yah. You know what I'm saying? Yahuwah has established the way to come back to Him. And the way is through Mashiach. Hallelujah. Praise Yahuwah all day long. Especially in His appointed times. Yeah. So, but the way is hard pressed, as we see here. Because we're going to be tried. We're going to have to suffer. But that's the testing of our faith, I guess, so that we could, so that the second death has not known us on those that go through, that are Smyrna, that have everything legitly in Mashiach and could persevere till the end. Hallelujah. Shalom.